Hey guys, how's it going? Tommaso from the Bruzzo. Today we're going to show you how to grill Arrosticini on a gas grill to come out professional, just like also a Fornicella type grill that we use at our events. So, if you look down over here, this is all you need. Arrosticini, sea salt, and oil, extra virgin olive oil. These are the only three ingredients that you need. Simple, sea salt, that's it. So we're going to start by opening up the grill. We already went ahead and cleaned all the grates on here. The first step is to a little plate of extra virgin olive oil, paper towel, or what have you, and just apply to the front half of the grill, just like this, some olive oil. Okay, the only reason we're doing this is just so when we throw the Arrosticini on, they will not stick to the grill. Alright, so we heated up our grill. It's at just about 600. Like any meat, you want to get the grill nice and hot to give it a nice sear. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to put the Arrosticini on the grill. We have the grill at 600. Boom, and they go on right in between the grates like this, with the skewers at the edge. This is going to give it a nice sear. Put on as many as you'd like. So we have a blue one over here. Alright. You can see they're right at the edge of the grill, so the skewers aren't going to burn. What you want to do is you want to leave the grill open from here on out, like it is. Skewers at the end, off of the grill, they're not burning. Perfect. They're going to cook like this for a few minutes, and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so they've been on the grill for about a minute. The grill has always been open. We don't cover it. We're going to go down to the Arrosticini. We have our sea salt, and we're going to salt liberally. We want a good amount of salt on these. This is the flavor right here with the fat. The fat and the salt is awesome. So we're going to salt those, and we use, of course, sea salt. And now we're going to turn them. So sometimes they'll stick to the grill a little bit. Let's see what we got. If they stick to the grill, you can just go like this with your hand, lift up the back end, and then you can go like this with the tongue and lift them right off the grill. Alright, so now you just turn. Turn. Easy, see? So if they stick a little bit, no problem. 1, 2, 3, boom. And we just do a little turn, little turn, little turn, little turn. And then we're going to go ahead and add salt to the side. Again, don't be shy with the salt. You'll really see the difference when you put this on. You want to add a nice amount of salt on it. Okay, so the Arrosticini have been salted, they've been turned, they've been salted again. Now we just need to finish them on the grill. Once again, leaving them in the same place. Cover open, never close the barbecue grill. And give it another minute or two, these will be finishing up. Alright guys, so it's about 7 or 8 minutes on the grill. This is the way that I prefer my Arrosticini, right over here. You see? Beautiful and all finished. What I'm going to do is put these to the side, right on the plate that we have set aside for them that are finished. And the ones over here, back on the grill. If anyone wants or prefers any of them a little more well done, then just 1 more minute. Just put them like this now, in the middle of the grill. Close it for a minute, open it back up, and you have your Arrosticini well done and ready to go. Alright, just about 1 minute longer. For those of you who like the Arrosticini a little more well done, it's all ready to go. Been 1 minute on the grill with a closed cover. Now these ones you're going to want to take off with a pair of tongs because they're going to be hot. And that is how you grill Arrosticini, just like we do. Boom.